I think we're a growing trust, so we only started last September, so we've been running just over a year. Before we were using the standardised tests and the assembly, one of the biggest issues was making sure that that data was definitely valid. So we've been using the RS assessments, we've used the PIRA mainly, but we've also used the PUMA and been trying some of the GAPS tests as well. They've been a really valuable thing in helping us to look at the greater depth and actually seeing when children have got greater depth within the PIRA and the PUMA test has really given them the confidence to actually push the children further in their learning after they've taken those tests. So being able to just go on to assembly, collect the data straight away has made it much easier to get papers and different things ready for trust boards. It's also meant that where schools are similar, either because of the size of the school or similar because of their intake of pupils, we've been able to actually match and have those conversations as well with other heads and other assessment leads and kind of unpick further. And using the actual test has meant that the teachers, after they've done the test, their PIRA and PUMA, they've been looking at that gap analysis and talking about that in their PPA to actually make sure that the gaps are then planned for the following few weeks. We would definitely recommend Assembly and the RS assessment because actually it has made our lives a lot easier. It's really helped us to develop teachers, to develop a really clear understanding of ARE and of greater depth, and it's helped with making sure that actually all of the data that we know that's coming in is clear, and it gives that extra bit of validation alongside the teachers' assessments.